What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. Kasama ko po yung friend ko na si Iman. Sinamahan niya ako para bumili ng camera. Nandito tayo ngayon sa So, nandito po kami ngayon sa store. Hinahanap pa ni Kuya yung camera. Sana naman nandito yun. Meron silang stock.
1 year warranty.
1 year warranty, right?
Yeah.
Ito na. Bibili na natin. 2.8.
Payment cash on card, bro.
Yes, card. So, it's final, guys. We just bought the camera plus the SD card. I have no money left. Say hi to my vlog.
Again your telephone number. Camera
Sir.
action.
Direct. Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Almost took me 3,000 reals plus the SD card. Meron pala dito yung single.
Ito
Thank you, bro.
Bye.
Say hi to my vlog. You will watch this on my YouTube channel. Name again, so other people will.
Bibin.
Okay.
Bibin, and his name is Afsar.
Okay, just look for them if you want to buy vlogging camera.
Manager.
Okay. Look at their store. Almost complete items for vlogging and photography. Okay, bro. Thank you so much.
Okay, salamat.
Thank you. Welcome. Bye. So, ayun na nga guys. Nandito na tayo sa bahay. Nagvi-video ngayon yung tropa ko si Himan. Hi ka naman. Thanks for being my videographer for today. So, eto na nga po. We're gonna do an unboxing for my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Nakakabili ko lang kanina. So, binili ko siya sa lens camera. Thank you, lens camera. And ito na nga. Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo yung binili ko. Bale, 2,000 yung price. So, unbox na po natin siya. Excited na ako. I'm really excited about this one. Diba? So, ayan. Lens camera. As you can see, via card. Ayan yung price. Ito, kinain na namin sa buffet. Boracay restaurant. And, I included extra SD card, 256 gig. Okay, simulan na natin. Nakasealed pa siya, guys. This is it. Yan, may tab siya. Para din siyang Apple products. Ito na. Yan yung inside niya. Wow. Ito na. Nandito na ata lahat. Ito siya. This is my hand. This is the Osmo Pocket. So tiny. Grabe. The details of this camera. Let's open this. ASMR. English.
English one.
So this is the camera. After downloading, so ngayon gamit na namin yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Anong masasabi mo?
I think the quality is good. It's handy and it's light. Actually, it's premium.
Guys, I have nothing to say. This camera exceeded my expectations. Worth it ba sa tingin mo?
I think it's worth it. We will
Worth it
see
naman siguro.
for the next video.
Testing the camera with the mic. Dito siya nilalagay. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, can you hear me?
Test mic 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Testing, mic test. So, ito po yung gamit na mic. DJI Mic 2, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments below if the mic quality is good. Peace. Thank you for my videographer / cameraman. And hopefully next time makapag-vlog kami sa iba't ibang places na pupuntahan namin. So yun lang. So I just finished the unboxing of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Thank you guys for watching this video on my unboxing about this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I hope that I will post more videos using this on my future vlogs. Thank you. Peace.